Hey guys, Harry here, your Split Project, and today we have a new video from HTML, CSS and JS. In this video we create the device model finder with HTML, CSS and JS. What is the device model finder? In this project we find the model of the device of the user with the JS, using JS, and then we show it to the user in the browser using HTML and CSS. We use one library for this project with JS, and it's easy, don't worry, it's very easy. And also, if you like some little project, you can watch our shorts in the YouTube. It's very good for learning little project in the C++ or Python, or some little project for the C we created. If you like, you can watch it. Thank you. Let's start. First we want one div dot container. Then we want one h tag, your device, I think so I write it wrong, device is correct, model. Then we want one button, so here we write button with one ID, show device button btn, show my device model, and infos, because in this video we want to write the infos of the device of the user. Then we want one p tag with one ID, device info, and one class hidden. Here we write, let's write something because it's not very important, this p tag, because it should be in line. It's not be in line, it should be have a display none, display hidden. Okay, let's start for the CSS code. The Python codes are finished, so then here we write body, font family, Arial, background color sharp, 2F, 2C, 2CC1. Then display flex, and justify content center, alignment items should be center, and then height should be 100 VH, and then margin going to be 0, and it's good. Create that container. Let's copy the container from here. Then here in the container we want one text align, and also we want one background color, padding, box shadow, and something like this. So let's start with text line. Center, background color white, padding 20, border radius 8. All of these in the pixel we should write, and one box shadow because we want to create one little shadow for it, and it's going to be very beautiful. Make it very beautiful. 4 pixel, 8 pixel, RGBA. For the red we write 0, for the green also we write 0, for the blue we write 0, and for the alpha we want to write 0.1, and it's good. We want some codes for the buttons. For the buttons again we want background color, padding, border radius, yes, and font size, and some other codes. Let's start with background color. Sharp 2D 3143. Color going to white, and padding going to 10 pixel. We write it for 10 pixel, and the second parameter of it we write 20. Border to none. Then we write border radius 5. Yes, it's correct. 5 pixels, good. Cursor should be going to be pointer, and font size. Font size should be in 16 pixels, is good. And we want to change it when user hover the button. So then here we write button hover, background color going to sharp 716 BE 6, and it's good. Or we can write it so I think so this one is better. 86A5E3. This is the code color, and that hidden. Let's copy the class. Display going to be none. Sharp device info. Let's write it with this. It's not very important. Let's write it with this hidden. Oh no, because we want to change it one time in JS. It's better to write it like this. Margin top 20. Font size 8. Pixel and text style font style going to be font fit going to be bold, and it's good. Yes. Then it's finished. I said to you it's very easy, but JS it's a little hard. Let's start the JS codes, because the most important thing in the codes we write it with JS, it's a JS, because the core of the websites are with JS. If you don't have any backend, the core of the website is JS. And don't worry, let's start. We want from function with name get device info. Then we want from constant variable user ag, meaning agent equal navigator dot user agent, and it's good. Then device info rated to arena on none, because we want, if we can't find it, we should write it none. 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 Then we want some condition. If Android I dot test user agents. Device info going to be Android. I think so. I write it wrong. Yes, I should. That's right. Let's copy this text and paste it again here. Else, if it's going to be iPhone with VP let's copy it again and paste it here. If it's going to be iPad, it's going to be iPad. Then if it's to be Windows, it's here going to be. In this project we write the version of this OS. For example, the device have for example Windows 11, it's right the 11th version of the Windows. And then here we write Windows PC. If it be Macintosh, you should write Macintosh. And if it's be Linux, you should write next, and it's finished. I said to you, it's very easy. Then this function should be return turn like this. Device $sign first. Device infos. User agent going to be $sign user agent. Now we find the model and user agents of the user. Now we want to write one function to show it to user. This is very easy. We write it in the last project. If you want to learn it very well, you can watch that videos. It's very easy, but again I say to you, document that gets elements by ID, because we want to get one element it have ID. Show device button. If user, we want to write if user click to this button, so we should add one event listener, add event listener to click. If user click in this button, you should run one function like this. You should have one minute please. You should have a constant variable. Name is device info equal get device info, and it's finished. Now we get the output of this function and we add it to this variable. Then now we want again one constant device info element equal document dot get by ID. Now we want to write the p tag. Also you can write the query selector info device info, and now we get it to user. We take it to user, and we take it to device info element, and now we want to write device info element that takes content. You shouldn't write inner HTML, you should write text content. Why? I should to say to you in tomorrow shorts. It's a very important thing for the safety of the project. So here we write text content equal device info, and device info dot class list dot remove. Now we remove the class to hidden. Also you can write it with CSS codes. What's meaning you write device info element dot CSS equal display inline, and let's write it's finished. Let's check it one time. You should write here a user agent. I write it wrong, sorry. And then here I write iPod. I should write it iPad. Then let's run it. we refreshed it. Here, Macintosh user agent. This it get the Intel Mac OS. What is the Mac OS version? And the version it's 18. I use Safari. If you have any question, you can write it at comment. If you want to help me, please subscribe and like this video. If you have any ideas, you can write it at comments. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can write it at comments. Thank you so much and goodbye.